us to compare our life instead of appreciating everything we are. No wonder why everyone is always depressed.
Did you all understand these lines? Well, if no, try to understand these lines in today's assembly as the theme of today's assembly is impact of social media on us. To buy these lines, let's start today with a positive mindset and start to make the best of every moment. Good morning, I'm Jay, everyone present over here.
I am Shivarma from class 17 present over here to conduct today's morning assembly. So first, we have two of our classmates who are very good speakers, Kushagra and Aliza, to deliver a productive thought. Do you know, while I was coming in the bus, a thought came in my mind. According to me, that thought is, the fewer devices you have to charge, the more charge you have for your mind.
I also have a thought. It takes discipline to not let social media steal your time.
Also, being famous on Instagram is basically the same thing as being rich on Monopoly.
Don't use social media to impress people. Use it to impact people. Thank you.
Now we have some fantastic public speakers, Trisha, Aradhana, Shreyash and others to give some current news about social media.
Everyone, social media, social media. Social media is constantly changing, using some of the latest trends such as social eating and short videos. People use social media as a part of their daily lives, and businesses are flocking to reach its customers. Approximately 58.4% of the world's population uses social media for an average of 2 hours and 27 minutes. ChatGPT crossed 1 million users in just 5 days of launch and gained 100 million active users in January 2023. Thus, ChatGPT users grew by 9,900% in 60 days, setting a record of fastest growing platform in the history. By April 2023, ChatGPT is estimated to have had 173 million users. Social media is a pillar of many people's daily life. There are 4.65 billion social media users on the planet. That's 58% of the global population, many of whom are using social media as a primary source of information. There are many disadvantages of social media like cyberbullying, hacking, scams, addiction, health issues and many more. From news to lifestyle tips, decision making to product research, social media users can gather all the information they need without ever leaving their platform of choice. Top 3 social media compared are Facebook 2.9 billion.
As per the statement issued by BTS Agency Bakery, the members will be signing up to join military at the end of 2023. Well, BTS is one of the most popular K-pop groups in the world and each member of it has a huge fan base. According to an article, the most popular BTS member is Jungkook and Taeyang, also known as V, with more than 60 million followers on their Instagram. Over the past year, the Japanese viewers made up the largest shares of watchers with around 918 million views on the band's video, followed by 778 million views from India and 658 million views from Mexico. Now, talking about the faces of TikTok. TikTok's global domination. TikTok in 2023 remains unstoppable, solidifying its position as a dominant force in the realm of social media with its unique capacity to captivate attention spans and ignite viral sensation. TikTok has become a treasure trove for marketers.
This is not just in the US, though 84.5% of Americans use social media at least 1%. In China, there are more than 415 million without internet, and there are total 1 billion users. Talking about the positive aspects of social media, we find numerous advantages. And despite having such unique advantages, social media is then too considered a very harmful element for the society. Do you want to know why?
Social media is a topic of controversy. If the use of social media is not controlled, it may lead to grave consequences. Many people consider it to be a boon, but a majority think it's a curse. To conclude, we must make use of all the advantages what social media brings, but never forget its darker aspects. At the moment, only these thoughts are coming to our mind. That's all. Thank you.
We have Ananya and Devansh, good debaters, and Ratnesh and Divyanshi, good quizzers, to have a talk show on the topic impact of social media on us.
Facing criticism all time. Just because of simple statement, people are bullying me. मम्मी, देखो ना ये क्या हो रहा है?
Digital footprint, beta, digital footprint. Put away that phone and go to study, or else I will leave a signature on your face, idiot.
Why can't my mom understand my feelings? Here I'm getting cyberbullied and all she cares about is studying all day.
This is a situation which happens in each and every Indian household. Parents understanding your feelings in a parallel universe. What if I tell you that one day you might get a chance to speak up? But when?
When each and every one of us have the guts to speak up, will it bring a change in this era? Will it change the mindset of our parents?
In this world, when children try to speak up, they get neglected. Parents, let alone social media, a platform which is used for entertainment, is slowly ruining this generation.
There are days when you look at other people on social media and feel imperfect. But when will the time come and we will realize that social media is fake?
What do you mean fake? When I look at those perfect people on social media and realize the flaws in myself, these thoughts slowly drain me in and out. What if I tell you that it's just a candid event, it's just a phase, move on.
Move on? What about me? Can I really let myself down in this world of perfection, where I feel like an absolute outcast?
Outcast? Definitely. These perfect people on social media apps like Twitter, Snapchat and Instagram are covered with tons of their lives which we can't see.
These all perfect people on social media will just drain you. I'm not good at academics. I'm not good at academics. Neither am I good at sports. All I can do is just stare at my phone screen and realize the flaws in myself. Is this what am I supposed to do? Forget it. Forget the flaws in yourself and accept who you are. Don't waste your teenage moments.
Social media is slowly draining this generation. Teenagers facing depression, anxiety, trust issues and all because of this social media.
Wake up, guys! Wake up! When did you realize that social media is fake? Don't pressurize yourself. Be who you are. You are you and others are themselves. Accept yourself.
Remember the time when you used to play with your friend outside your home, but now you barely take a step out of your home?
Don't let these negative thoughts howl in your mind and focus on improving yourself.
Get yourself together, teenagers. Thank you and join.
Now comes the interesting part of our assembly, which is my match. But before presenting my mark, let us tell you all about what my mark actually is. So, my mark is the act of using movements of the hand, body and expressions on the face without speech. Mine is originated from ancient Greece.
Mime is the act in which we describe any topic with emotion and action. It has certain rules and regulations, such as it is not allowed to use any dialogue, lip sign, music and props. So now we have a group of talented actors to perform mime act on the topic impact of social media on us.